Welcome to 1919 East 9th Street in Duluth, Minnesota. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. You can see when you walk in right away, there's this little covered patio with some furniture. And then walk in the stucco exterior and you enter this amazing historic home. Beautiful fireplace, amazing original woodwork. This home has been restored by professionals, so the plaster is in great shape. The electrical is all new, plumbing's all new. This is an amazing home. Here you are in the dining room. And then you can see through to the kitchen. Dishwasher, stove, little dine-in eating nook. And then here you can see the fridge and the little walkway. To the right is the way to the basement. You can see a little exterior door. We're gonna head back to the living room to go up the stairs. The plaster is just in wonderful condition all the way up. Here's the first bedroom. And then the second bedroom, there's a closet behind the door, it's hard to see. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. What's nice about this one is you've got lots of space, and you've also got this private patio looking out at the backyard. And then last but not least is the bathroom. Laminate floors, wainscoting, tile shower surround. Vanity and sink. That's the upstairs of this home. So we'll head back down the stairs. Thank you for viewing this tour.